What's the meaning of attention deficit hyperactivity disorder? Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects millions of children and adults worldwide. The condition is characterized by symptoms such as inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity, which can negatively impact daily life, education, and work. Individuals with ADHD may have trouble concentrating or sitting still, often resulting in poor school or work performance, relationship problems, and other challenges. While there is no cure for ADHD, treatment options such as medication, therapy, and lifestyle changes can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life.